Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about reality of NEET exam. What happened to the life of a NEET aspirant? Because from past few years papers are getting leaked and no one is taking the responsibility of it. Students prepare for years for that exam and they still have chances of not getting the seat in any government college. Like it's about 2 to 3% of percentage of rate to get a seat in government college for medical programs. Instead of knowing the child potential, Indian parents are forced to uh, do that specific course or clear that exam, and they have very high expectation from the uh, student or a child which has no extra talent in to be good in studies. This is one of the major reason, and the another thing is some students are good at studies but paper is leaking, and this is not good for the student who have talent and are good at clearing the exam. Many students lost their life because of the paper leak, and no one is taking the accountability of the failed system. And another side is CGP is taking the step forward for students, and I don't think there will be a political will to. And in India, you will see that nonsense things graph is going up, and the main points are like our education and healthcare are going down, and no one is talking about that. They are just following or defending their identity. I am talking about the need, but I am slipped to another topics. So stay on that. I have to say that every year 20 or 22 lakhs of students give NEET exam every year, and there is only 2% of 2 or 3% of seat getting a seat rate. And if someone not get government college, then fees of private college is like sky high, like a fee to become a pilot is same as doing MBBS from private college. I think about this, like if someone from not good not good background, but he also doesn't have talent or to excel in exams, what should he do? I mean, what is uh, for him? And tell me your thoughts on this whole topic, and subscribe for more videos like this.